Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for force when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. What is the force acting on an object with a mass of 8,550 kilograms when it accelerates at 4.21 meters per second squared? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. Force. We don't know force. That is what we are trying to solve. Mass. What about the mass? The mass is 8,550 kilograms because mass is measured in kilograms. Acceleration, on the other hand, is going to be 4.21 meters per second squared. And that is because acceleration is measured in meters per second squared, because the unit for acceleration is meters per second squared. Then step 2, plug in your values. The formula for Newton's second law is going to be force is equal to mass times acceleration. So therefore, we just plug in our values. So mass goes there, and then acceleration goes there. So all we have to do is multiply these values together, and that will give us our value for force, which is 35,996 newtons. And that is how you solve for force. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.